So now let's connect the receiver to my smartphone, and I'll turn this here on. So now this microphone is connected to my smartphone, and I'll be recording the audio from this one. And now this audio sample you are hearing with the background noise and all the air noise and the background noise is from this microphone. And let's turn on the first level of noise cancellation in this microphone. This microphone has 3 levels of noise cancellation feature. So the first level, you have to just press this button. You have to press this button just once, and this light will blink once, and then you can know that it's on audio level noise cancellation level 1. So hello friends, you are hearing the audio sample from this Grenaro S12 Pro microphone with the level 1 noise cancellation. Now let's check the second level of noise cancellation in this microphone. So you have to click this once more, and then this green light will flash twice. Then you can know that this is on the second level of noise cancellation. So hello everyone, this is the sample voice from the second level of noise cancellation from Grenaro S12 Pro microphone. Now if you can hear the noise from the background, then this third mode will definitely help you. Just press here once more, and this light will blink thrice, and then you can know that this mic is on the third level of noise cancellation, and this is the maximum level of noise cancellation in this microphone. And this is the audio sample from the Grenaro S12 Pro wireless microphone having third level of noise cancellation. So guys, there is one more awesome feature in this microphone, that is the reverb mode. When you press this button thrice, the reverb mode will be activated, and you can listen the sample like 1 2 3. Now this microphone is on reverb mode, and you can just sing whatever you like.